My name is Mr. Peace. I'm here at Howard School in Madera, California, home of the Bulldogs, where we bark to success. I love their acronym, what they stand for. My first time here on campus, part of the Madera Unified School District, and just an amazing day all around. 3 separate assemblies for all the grades. We had 1st through 8th, and the program today focused on bullying, and the sub-theme was on look at the heart first, right? And it really does tie in, the underlying principles of the message today, and for the parents as well, on cyberbullying and social media in the evening, to what they have their as their motto, as their acronym, right, for BARK. And I really love this because the B stands for be prepared. We have the A that says act responsibly. The R is to respect self, others, and things. And finally, kindness is the key. And I really did try to hammer home this point about the K, because kindness is truly the key, not just here at our school, but everywhere in our lives, right? We make it a staple for what we try to do and how we try to live each and every day. And I think it's so important. This world needs a lot more kindness, of course. And so when we're talking about seeing someone for the heart first, our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action. We can either uplift someone high as the clouds. Got the clouds shining today, the sun finally popped through, or we can say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we have this choice to either build up or to tear down, and hopefully we're going to choose the former, that we're trying to basically raise up people higher than our own selves, right? That we rise by lifting others. And there were so many pin drop moments today, a lot of feedback from students post-program, and just from me, walking around the school grounds throughout the day, that the students really did take this to heart, right? They really want to embody this. They really want to make that choice to try and, see people for who they truly are, and to also not just look at the heart first, but see themselves and others as true miracles. So like the front of my shirt says miracle. I bring this up in all my programs, but in particular this one especially, that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right? I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we all have at least one on each hand. And that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? Because so many people I speak to, not just students, but adults as well, sometimes they've forgotten that, they've never been told that, and we can be that reminder for them, right? We can be that light to their heart. That also means we have to get past, any current pain that might be holding us back or holding us down. I say that the biggest reason that bullying happens, which is a repeated action over and over and over again to get power over somebody, I always say that the biggest reason that it happens, though, is that hurt people, right? But it's also true that healed people heal people. So if we can be able to rise above that hate, show ourselves love first, kind of like the respect self, others, and things, then all of a sudden, once we get past that, now we can hopefully go and help others as well, right? And to know that, we can show that kindness that was shown to us to help us, even from the first part of this, receive that healing. I think that's a huge life lesson to really grasp at a very young age. And, to see that they were all ears, all heart, and that it was really coming back again and again for them to understand that this is something that they can make a choice, a conscious choice each and every day. That's just amazing. It gives me inspiration, gives me hope that, our young people picking up that torch to lead the change, to really be the change, live the change, that it's going to happen, right? And it already is. And so I love seeing that. I love, just kind of seeing the fruits of, all my presentations, and how, if I'm able to touch, someone's heart in under an hour, right? Think about the difference we can all make in each other's lives over the course of a school year and beyond, right? If we really make that commitment, that promise in our heart to show that compassion, that love, and that kindness. So thanks for touching my heart. It was great to see all of you today, to really speak about a much needed message in today's world. And if it did touch your heart, just keep shining that light, and hopefully I get to see you all again soon. Until then though, Have a great rest of the school year, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.